Good afternoon. We've had some autumnal feeling weather last week, chilly mornings, little bits of mist and fog. It's autumnal weather with a difference this week. It's the wind and the rain. Now already we've got weather fronts straddled across the UK, behind me looming large, the next area of low pressure developing. And with those weather systems already across the UK, we have had some rain. We still have some rain drifting through the Midlands and Wales, some showers following to the north. But in between those weather systems, there's some sunshine to be found as well today. It's quite warm, 18 in parts of Northern Ireland, into the low 20s in southern and eastern areas. So yes, although it's going to get quite unsettled, we are going to see some warmth this coming week. So not a bad end of the day for many, some sunshine even to end in the north. Then overnight, just dank and drizzly really, with some mist around. In the south, misty low cloud over the hills. Further north, some low level mist, but you can see what's looming towards morning across the south and west of Ireland. And in amongst this next area of low pressure, the remnants of ex-Hurricane Helene. So we are going to have some tropical air in there, hence some heavyish rain, some strong winds as well to come through Monday night, Tuesday. And interestingly, some warmer weather, as I hinted at, particularly across the southern half of the UK, and not just warmer but humid as well. We're going to see some quite warm nights, so no frost to worry about really this week, but we will have gales at times. There'll be some heavy rain, soaking rain, but it will be largely warm and dry in the south of the first part of the week. Although it starts a little dank and drizzly and misty first thing tomorrow, it will gradually improve with sunshine coming through and the warmth 24, 25. But it looks quite wet in contrast for some parts of Northern Ireland, but particularly for central and northern parts of Scotland. The winds start to escalate later in the day as well as the remnants of Helene start to cross our shores. So through Monday night into Tuesday, we could see some quite strong winds, gale force winds, so autumn gales potentially up through the Irish Sea. We think western England and Wales, perhaps southern Scotland, and then some soaking rains as we saw through Monday night into Tuesday, further north and west. Still that warmth and that dry weather hanging on further south and further east. Now, through Tuesday night and into Wednesday, we'll be watching the Atlantic again. And this little area of low pressure, it could even be deeper and bring some stronger winds, possibly some severe gales, but it looks as if they'll be further north. So potentially for Northern Ireland and Scotland, again, more soaking rain to come here as we go through Wednesday. Whilst further south, yes, there'll be a little bit of rain and drizzle, but it gets warmer with some sunshine around and temperatures again into the low 20s. So we've got that contrast, that heat with us through the south, and we've still got that weather front hanging around on Wednesday, and it'll be with us not just through Wednesday night into Thursday, but potentially into the start of Friday as well. And that gives concerns about a lot of rain across central areas. And increasingly on Thursday, stronger winds pick up in the south, and we start to see the cooler Atlantic air start to take hold in the north. So eventually, I think through Thursday night into Friday, we will see that rain clearing away, but that looks like the first significant rain this week across the southern half of the country, the southeast in particular. Behind it, though, a little ridge of high pressure briefly, because we've got more wet and windy weather to come, we think, next weekend. But for Friday, at the moment, it looks like the driest window of weather of the week. It will by that stage be a bit cooler because we'll have some chilly mornings again. We've lost that humid air. But if you have plans this week, there's a lot of uncertainty in the detail. Please do stay tuned to the forecasts and look up the warnings.